How to fix Samsung A16 screen won't turn on. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time like that, and then restart your device. After restarting your device, then reset all settings, then open settings and scroll down, and here you can see the option general management. Now click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset all settings, and here you can reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will fix. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and do factory data reset. After factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.